Let's start with the display. It's bright and crisp thanks to the 2560 into 1600 pixels of resolution, but it is quite reflective. As you can see, it is reflecting the ring lights like a mirror. This hampers the sunlight legibility to a great extent, but the display looks stunning in the indoors. It is an LCD screen, not an OLED one, and is running at 120Hz at present. And the speed is quite evident in the fluidity of scrolling. And thanks to the flagship processor, there is no stutter even at 120Hz. If you want to go back from a screen, swipe in from either side to do so. My initial impression is that apart from the sunlight legibility, the display looks excellent. Moving on to the storage space availability. This is the 128GB version and some of it will be used for the OS and default app. Let's see how much would be left for you. As you can see on the top right, 23.1GB is already used. This 23.1GB includes two 4K videos sized about 1.6GB. I transferred them for checking the performance. The available storage is also displayed at the top. In addition to the 4K videos, I have updated all the apps to their latest version. This also took some storage off the table, 3.46GB to be exact. I am not sure what the other 4.74GB is for, as I cannot see the details, but still that much memory is as good as gone. 13.3GB is used for the OS, and along with the other and updated default apps, the total space used is around 21.5GB. This leaves you with around 106.5GB at the maximum. The metrics that make you feel a device to be performant is app opening time and keyboard opening time. I am going to check the app opening time with my most used app, the Chrome browser. I will check the keyboard opening time within the Chrome browser itself. As you see, the browser opened quite quickly. Now, I will place the cursor onto the search box to see the keyboard opening time. This again was really quick. So, you will see quite good a performance from this tab. It also loads the websites quickly. The Google search opened in an instant. And the scrolling performance inside websites is also good. It is smooth and stutter-free even in a heavy website like Kaggle. I will also show my website novisaide.com. This page is studded with YouTube videos, still the browsing experience is lag-free. These are the two 4K videos I mentioned earlier. I will play one of them to show how performant the tab is. The video started playing immediately. Remember that this video is in 4K Ultra HD with HDR. Even when this is just an LCD screen, the blacks are really deep. Let me switch the lights off so that you can appreciate it more clearly. Let's bring the light back up. The visuals are breathtaking to say the least, and performance-wise also, it is a perfectly capable device. The 13 megapixel snapper on the back is quite capable by tablet standards. I will take a picture with it and show you how good it is. The camera does open quickly. Autofocus is also good. Now we will examine the photo. The camera managed to capture details clearly and does a good job in accurate color reproduction, despite the fact that I was holding the tab with only one hand while taking the photo. The four speakers on the Xiaomi Pad 5 managed to produce quite a loud audio output. I will play another file to demonstrate it. The audio is quite clear and free from distortions. There is no clipping even at the highest volume. Now we will check the microphone quality. For that, I will record an audio and play it back to you. The recorder app is located in the Tools folder. Opening it up, start recording. This is a sample audio recorded on Xiaomi Pad 5. This audio is being recorded on Sunday, 8th May 2022. This is a sample audio recorded on Xiaomi Pad 5. This audio is being recorded on Sunday, 8th May 2022. As you heard, the dual microphone does quite a good job in capturing audio. Before you go, I must mention that the Xiaomi Pad 5 in India comes with only a 22.5 volt charger and a USB cable in the box. There is no bundled Xiaomi pen or keyboard. In fact, at the time of recording this video, it is not even available to buy. And this concludes my initial impressions on Xiaomi Pad 5. The Xiaomi Pad 5 is a gorgeous and performant device. Thank you for watching this video. Have a happy day.